In this video, I will show you how to describe an item on Depop. Open the Depop app and tap Sell at the bottom of your screen. Start by adding clear, well-lit photos of your item from different angles, including any details or flaws. Next, write your description. Include the brand, size, fit, fabric, condition, and any important measurements. Make it scannable so buyers can quickly understand the item. Use keywords that buyers actually search for, like Y2K miniskirt or oversized 90s hoodie, but avoid keyword stuffing. After that, fill in your item info, category, brand, condition, and size, and set your price. Once everything looks good, tap Post Listing to share your item with buyers. Being clear and upfront about your item's condition not only makes your listing look professional, but also helps attract the right buyers and prevents confusion or disputes later. And that's how to describe an item on Depop.